All right, one of the hardest things for students to do is identify LCD factors when you're dealing with numbers. A lot of times it's harder for the numbers than it is for the variables or the binomial factors. So when you're looking at this, my suggestion is leave it as factors until the last step. So if we look at individual factors, we know we have a factor of 3. We need a factor of x. We need a factor of 5. Do we already have that here? No, so we'll include that 5 times. And then a factor of x. Do we already have an x? Yeah. So really our LCD is 15x. But I'm going to leave it written as 5 times 3 times x. Because now when I take the numerator of my first fraction, I need to multiply this by any LCD factor missing from this denominator. Well, it has the 3 and the x, so what factor is it missing? The 5. Plus our next fraction's numerator, x minus 8, times any LCD factor missing from its denominator. It has the 5 and the x, it's missing the 3. So if you do it this way, it might be easier to see it, and then you just distribute. So 5 times 4x, you get 20x minus 5. 3 times x minus 8, you get 3x and a negative 24. When you combine your terms here, you get your net of 23x minus 29. Now you can combine these 5 times 3, just rewrite it as the total product, 15x. Look to see, are there any common factors you can cancel here? There's nothing that can be factored from the numerator, and then so you can't cancel anything. No factors were canceled from the denominator, so that you don't need to identify any domain restrictions.